Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about a topic that is mastering typing. This particular topic is about how you can attain a good typing skill. So in this particular chapter we are going to discuss about a rapid typing software. This particular software is free. You can search on internet and download it. Now this particular tutorial is specially meant for improving your typing skill. So first of all, we know that we should know how different type of keys are there in our keyboard. Like we are having alphanumeric keys, we are having some punctuation keys, we are having some function keys, we are having a numeric keypad which is mainly used for performing typing certain numbers. Mainly in malls, shopkeepers, they have to type so many numbers. So these are the different keys which we have to use in our keyboard. Now question is that how we are going to press these keys. So if we see in our hand there are overall 10 fingers, and in our keyboard we are having on an average keyboard having 104 or 5 keys. So we are assigned each finger certain keys. That means each keys are reserved for a particular finger, and this particular thing we have to do the practice. And when we are become expert, then after all we become expert, then we will find our speed will increase and our mistakes will reduce. So when we are achieving a typing skill or good typing skill, the two parameters are very important. One is accuracy, that you have to maintain from the beginning, and second thing is speed. So if you attain a speed like 60 words per minute, so that is good one. Although speeds can be referred or measured in different categories also, like characters, keystrokes per second, kps, or keystroke per minute, kpm, and word per minute, or so we can when we are using this software, we find that this software is divided into many courses. So the very first one course is introductory, and in this particular course you will find certain sections are there, and each sections are having certain lessons. So you have to start from introductory, then beginner, then experience, then advanced, and the last one is your testing. uh, the software, that is rapid typing tutor, allow you to do the customization. That means you can make certain changes from your side, like you can create different accounts for different users. If the same software is used by different people, so you can create different account. Second thing is you can change the theme, you can change the background, you can change the font in which the text will be appear. And whenever you complete a particular lesson, you will find that a result summary will be there, which indicate your overall performance, accuracy, speed. Further, you will get an option to check individual character that you have typed. So, and further you can decide whether you want to repeat a lesson or not. So there is a one term known as test typing. So test typing means without seeing the keyboard, if you are able to type text on the computer, so that is basically test typing. So this can be we achieve if we just do the regular practice on rapid typing software. Rapid typing software also allow you to create your own course. So this option is also there. That means you can decide what type of content will be appear in front of you, and that you can type. So more we will see on the screen how we have to use rapid typing tutor. Thank you.